Hey guys, Fidgety Vlogs here, and today I'm gonna actually show you 3 new fidget spinners I actually got. The first one I'm gonna show you is this one here. It's pretty cool. This is the sound. And the balls actually move. You see? Okay, so now, sorry about that music. And then that's the first one. Now I'm just gonna put it in here. And I'm gonna actually do all of these in which one can spin the longest. Now the next is a Bluetooth one. Now you would just want to turn it on. Just go to Bluetooth on your phone or something. Here. It should be saying it right now. The girlie I can get, if she can get too many likes. So, cutie that can turn into my wife. Take the means forever. So while waiting, we're actually going to spin this on a pencil top right here. Now, we can't connect it right now, but you'll see later. Now let's just see. You just want to spin it. There. Hey. Okay, we got that one. So that's the first one, like I said before. Now, the second one was the Bluetooth one, and it's not working on my other stuff. So yeah, it's like that. Now this was at 7-Eleven. This was at these were 2 7-Elevens that I got at the same ones. This was $10 and this was $21 because it's Bluetooth. Now this one I've actually kind of been waiting a long time and looking around where to get it. It's another circle case. This is the price. Oh wait. And yes, it's metal. So it's $10. And it's that. It's golden brass with that, what do you call it, feeling right here. Pretty good. Sorry. So that, there it is. That's the look. It kind of looks like a wheel. But yeah, it's like that. Now, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what other videos I should do and other fidget spinners that you think I should get. And I'll review it and give it away to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Fidgety Vlogs here. Coming at you with another video later.